Hello everyone, myself C.S. Swati Panchal, Chartered Accountant, Partner at Panchal SK and Associates, and SMSR and Company LLP and co-founder of Gen Z CFO. I'm speaking on the humble origins, how to start humbly if you are from very rural areas. Have you ever found yourself standing at the crossroads of doubt and possibility, thinking whether your ideas can be converted into the reality? How often have you been told that you cannot be able to achieve this because from areas you are coming? I stand here before you as a testament to the power of resilience, strong determinations, dedications, and unwavering belief of ideas. In spite of so many mistakes and efforts, I dared to dream, dared to become a chartered accountant. Though that goal was not so easy, each and every step was with so many obstacles and hurdles. But finally, after all the hustles, at the age of 20, I became chartered accountant. I earned proudly this degree. But my story didn't stop over here. After CA, at the age of 22, I lost my father. The losing of my father was a very shocking news for me. He was the ultimate strength for me. He believed that education for girls is very much important. If the girls are educated, whole the society thrives and nation develop. For girls, financial independence and your self-identity is both things very much important. Later on, at the age of 23, I got married. Marriage brought with the relocations, forced me to completely build, again my professional life and starting the new life again and again. But I did it. My life is not confined to only the certificates and textbooks. I live my life, enjoying it, wearing the multiple hats. It's kind of the passion for me. Entering into the media world through hook by one mentor, it's like taking the interviews of leading personalities on the finance, spreading the financial literacy among the members. It's also the crucial aspects and is very much essential for nowadays that I did. Exploring various cities, countries, reaching out various culture, it's doing like painting in my life, demanding the professional careers and very niche knowledge along with it, managing 5-year-olds, it's kind doing the work-life balance for me. Various certificates like Forex and Treasury, Diploma Information System Audit, and GST, Insolvency Bankruptcy Code, the FinTech from the Harvard, all these certificates are not only degrees that I achieved, but it's all about exploring different avenues for me. Seminar, webinars, startup mentoring, jury member, panel discussions, Times of India, 40 Under 40, Leaders of Tomorrow, Humanity Star by Gujarat Police. All these achievements, awards are not only the recognitions, but it's all share, inspire ideas and exploring different avenues and perspectives in the life. Today, I would like to address the young members that if you have the ideas, you have vision, just chase it, no matter whatever the obstacles that you are facing. Small town ideas and perspectives are as valid as from the metropolitan areas. You can able to achieve, you can do it, no matter whatever the obstacles that you face. Do not let the situations define you, you define the situations. Have your dreams, do higher, have different perspectives. Do not allow anyone to dull your charm. Many of times what happens, we think that we are into the closed door area, the door has been locked, you cannot able to go out, but it's not like that. The door is open, you just have to push it. And many of times, it's not the closed door, the whole world is open. You just have to walk and walk. That is all about the life. As I share my story of inspirations, it's not only about the titles and the degrees and certificates, but it's all about enjoying the whole life journey, how gracefully you do it. So that is also important. The life is festival, you just enjoy it. The life is festivals, you enjoy. The life is art, you do it. Life is music, so you explore it, whatever the avenues that you have. Many of times you think that I have been given so many lots of responsibility, but responsibility only come from the response plus ability. If you have the ability to do it, then only the responsibility has been given to you. So take that way. Do not make anyone concise and do not let others go down. So this is all about my life and what are the message that I would like to give you at the past. Enjoy your life journey, because reaching to the destination is also important, but the whole journey that you are passing through and how you are impacting the lives of others, that is also important. Enjoy your life journey. Have the constant and continuous learning. Life is all about to learn, relearn, unlearn. Setting the new examples, benchmark, re-engineer yourself. This is important. Live each and every moment of life. Life is all about the constant learning and the coordinations. The success is not only the sole endeavor. It's all about the constant efforts and the coordinations, the continuous learning that you are doing and you are facing. So I address to all the young entrepreneurs as well and the young mindset from the rural areas. Your ideas are just as valid as the metro area ideas. Chase it, come forward and shine yourself. Thank you once again.